गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। और आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 12th का लाइट। चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज लाइट? वी विल डिस्कस इट। लाइट क्या होता है, हम इस बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे बच्चा। लाइट इज we know since starting the nature, without light we can't see anything. When we will see the things we observe, so the light is the most important things of our life to see the object. Without light we cannot see. When since starting the whole universe, light was the most important phenomena, and when we studied too much on the light, we get that light is a part of energy. Light is a part of energy. Since you know that in whole universe light can see, by the light we can see the objects. Children, the light is a part of energy, but you know that there are many part of energy. Energy can be changes into heat, energy can be changes into children electricity, and energy can be changes into sound. There are so many ways by which energy can transform from one part to another part, and it is a part of, I think it is a part that in whole universe energy, we will see that energy is transforming from one form to another form. This is the law of conservation. So you know these things, according to law of conservation, energy changes from one part to another part, from one system to another system. The whole game in this whole universe, we will see the game of energy. In this game, light is also part of energy. And when we studied what is light, so light is a phenomena, and which is the biggest phenomena and very important phenomena for our nature, because without light life is not possible. Even we have a artificial light, but this light is main root of the life of human, life of anyone, because lights create reactions. Light creates everything. Without light you can't see the plants. Without light you can't grow anything. So see, light behaves like an insecticide in our nature. And you have seen that, remember that UV light destroy the smallest particle which is inside in water. So light is the most important things for studying. It is the basic phenomena which is associated to light, but for class 12th purposes, the light is in a part of energy which behaves in two ways. When suppose that children, light is going in suppose that light, we have switch on the light, we see that light is spreads in all our rooms. So, and if we will see, suppose that in water, and you switch on the torch, suppose this is water, you on the torch, you will see the things which is inside the water. So in these two behaviors, we will see that these two behaviors are different. When we switch on the light in our room, we will see different. But we see when switch on the light and we are seeing, suppose that we have dropped a single coin inside the water, so we will see that that coin we can see easily, and that shines. But the coin which I have kept in our room, which is not shining so much, and this is totally different. So we think that if light going in single medium, but we can see without medium, not changing the medium in same medium, light goes through easily. But when light in another medium, it's so different behavior. I think you have understood. So we have divided category of light from passing from one place to another place in two ways. Category of light passing from one place to another place in two ways. First one is reflection and the second one is refraction. And what is refraction, what is reflection and what is refraction, I have discussed. If light going in same medium, what will happen? If light in going in from one medium to another medium, this is like this. Suppose that you are going in your colony, what will happen with you? And suppose that colony and you are going in another country, what will happen with you? So another day you can imagine that in another country what will happen with you, that is you can understand on the, you will understand that process in the fact of refraction. And the things which is happening in our colony means, suppose that you are light and you are living in your colony, so the things you will face the reflection situation like this. And what will happen in the case of reflection and refraction? So in this case of medium are changes. Medium means समझ में आ रहा है? Medium means mediums same. Here will write medium different. Mediums are different. So in the case of reflection, mediums are same, and the case of refraction, mediums are different. See children, what is the behavior when medium changes? What medium changes? Suppose you are in water and you are throwing light from the water, and your light is coming outside where water is not present, air is present. So you are in denser medium, you are throwing light in rarer medium. Suppose that you are in sea water and you are throwing a light, so you are in also in denser and you are throwing light in rarer. So medium is you can say there is a permeable things which separate two sides, two things. One is in denser and second in one is rarer. Rarer means children, rarer two things. There are two types of medium. First one is rarer medium, and second one is children denser medium. What is rarer medium and denser medium? Rarer medium means the molecule, in the case of rarer medium, the molecules are they are not in same place, they are not combined, they are not, we can say they are not dense, they remain some, they have some gapping, their molecules having, the molecules having gap. such as a air, such as a vacuum. These are, their molecules are so much away from each other. So we can say they are rarer. A light does not show more effects in the rarer medium. Partial may be different, but something, maximum things doesn't change in the rarer medium. But when denser mediums comes, light faces so much obstacle in their paths. Light the particles of the matter in which the denser medium, the particles are very closely to each other. They are very much packed to each other. They are closely packed to each other. And when light entered in this one, it faces so much problem. Suppose if you are not thinking, you can think that I am telling that children run in stadium. There is a stadium, run it. So you will get so much space and easily you can run. So similarly, when light enters in rarer medium, it's behave like this. It runs so fast. But if I will say you have to run in Mandi, listen, you have to move fast, you have to come 25 km/h in Mandi. So it is not possible. Similarly, this behaves happen with light in denser medium. When you will say you will have to run in crowd, then you will face the medium, light faces medium like denser medium. When light had to say entered in rarer medium, it's moving stadium, moving so much field, there he can it can run easily. So light, rarer medium and denser medium decides that the speed of light, and in these two cases light show different behaviors. And what are that different behavior we will think. But now listen, when light, what behavior? When light remains in rarer medium from one place to another place, showing different property, so working different things, they are in rarer medium. But when light goes from rarer to denser, from one medium to another medium, changes, means light changes the country. Suppose think that if light changes the country, it's so different behavior in denser medium. Suppose light in denser medium and coming in rarer medium, so it will show different behavior, happiness behavior. What will happen, we will discuss after it. But the things behind the light, what it to do, it is our motto. We'll see what children, इस चीज को जानने के लिए, to understand it, first we should know what type of things changes in refraction and reflection, and what contains, what things remain in a light. So children, see that light is also having intensity. अब कहेंगे कि सर व्हाट इज इंटेंसिटी? इंटेंसिटी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंटेंसिटी चिल्ड्रन? इंटेंसिटी मीन्स आप ये समझ सकते हो कि तोड़ने की क्षमता, जाने की क्षमता, कैपेसिटी, पावर, क्षमता, that is known as intensity, which can break, which can go. Simply they can break a simple things, they have intensity. And intensity directly related to amplitude, it's not matter, but remember that intensity directly related to its amplitude. So remember that. Now see velocity. You know that children, light have a velocity. Light have a velocity, and what is the velocity of light? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light. Velocity of light is 3 into and developed, who has given Jenner. So remember that velocity of light have a velocity, but children, light have, I told that light have a intensity, light have also velocity, and the third one, light have a wavelength also. A things which is come before you, wave and the length. What is meaning of wave and length? We will discuss it. It's a very important part of our study. It comes in your examination. Lights behave in a wave nature. Understood? Light behaves in a, I will discuss, and frequency also. Children, I have told intensity, you know velocity, and what is wavelength. In single line, an idea struck to your mind, कि sir, I don't know, I have forgot wavelength. So see children, you have read in class 9 that there are two types of wave, longitudinal and transverse. In these reference, you will see, suppose this is a wave, this is crest, this is crest, this is also crest, and this is trough. So the distance between two troughs the distance between two crest or two trough is known as wavelength. I think you have understood. The distance between two top point of sound, we can see crest, this is the whole, this is the wavelength, and it is a part of our length. So remember that this wavelength is a part of our length, and this one is also. So I think you have understood the distance between two crest and two trough is known as wavelength. So I think now you have, for understanding purpose, not for deep study, you have understood wave and the distance. They are the part of it. Sometimes children, it is asked that wavelength, what is a unit of wavelength? So unit of wavelength, it is a part of distance, children. So its unit is length and its dimension is L. So remember these things. Do not forget it, children. See children, another part is frequency. I think you are familiar from frequency. What is frequency? A rotation per cycle or distance traveled by moving body, rotating body, circular body in 1 second, or in 1 second the total distance covered by body is known as frequency. Frequency, children, remember that frequency, wavelength, velocity related to each other by a formula. What is that formula? Wavelength, frequency and velocity can be, V bar is equal to n lambda, or you will say nu lambda. N lambda you have read in class 9th, but now you will say V is equal to nu lambda. So this n changes. Sometimes we say this n is n frequency, sometimes we say symbol of frequency, and the unit of frequency is hertz. Unit of frequency is hertz. Listen, the unit of sound is decibel, but the unit of frequency is hertz. So remember that the unit of frequency is hertz. Hz is the unit of frequency. It's not frequency. Remember, children, frequency and sounds are different things. So remember, the unit of sound is what? Unit of sound is what? Decibel, dB, and unit of frequency is the hertz. So You have understood by this formula, frequency you have understood. So I have taught to you intensity, light, part of energy, divided in two category. They behaves in two category, reflection and refraction. They behaves in two category, refraction and reflection. There are so much behavior of light, but in our syllabus we have to study only refraction and refraction, and sometimes we will see the nature of light. So last one is phase. Children, you understood intensity, kshamta. Second, velocity of light. Third one is what? Wavelength of light. Fourth one, frequency you have understood. See, phase. Phase is something different because this is new for you. You do not know the phase when you were in class 10th. So children, listen carefully. What is phase? See the example. Children, suppose that there are light is, suppose here we have light. Suppose this is bulb. Suppose this is bulb. For understanding the phase, suppose it is giving the light. Suppose light is going through like this. Suppose this is light coming to you. So the gapping between each waves are equal. If so many waves are going from light, coming from sun, so each of them having same length among each other, each waves, हर एक वेव के बीच में बराबर गैपिंग ही फेज कहलाती है. दे आर इन सेम फेज. अब कहेंगे सर आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दिस इज द टोटली डिफरेंट. सो लिसन केयरफुली. सपोज यू आर सिटिंग इन ए क्लास. Suppose you are sitting in a class, and suppose that you are in a wave. So children, think that each student is sitting in your class, they are on table. He is sitting on bench, and each bench from the floor are in equal place. The whole students of the class sitting a equal distance from the floor on the bench. So each student are in same phase. I think you have understood. So listen it, that what is phase. I think you have understood. See sir, you can say sir ki I am not understanding, sir explain it. Suppose children, you can see, suppose there is a window. Suppose this is a window, roughly scale I have prepared. This is the rod of window. So old model you can see. So you suppose that these are waves. So you will see what is phase. So children, see that the distance between these two waves are equal. The distance between these two, this distance. So each of them having same distance. So they are in same phase. So I think you have understood phase. Phase remains always constant. In the case of refraction, what will happen? So I think light contains, children, onward. Now we have reached on our topic that life have a 5 almost components which changes during when light go from one place to another place. What will happen? See, what will happen with density when reflection cases happen? What will happen? Velocity in refraction cases, wavelength, frequency, phase. These things happens. Children, see, अगर ये चीज़ if you have understood, you can understand the problems associated to the numerical related to class 12th and JEE Mains or NEET. Easily you can find on the conceptual basis. See, in the case of reflection, what happens? What will happen? What happens with refraction? So see the refraction cases. See, children, in the case of refraction, what happens? Children, see the case of refraction. I am showing to you here. See, this is a reflection and the surface is, children, is smooth surface. Smooth. Or you can say clean surface, plain surface. Very example, plain. Very good example, plain surface. You can see mirror also. You can say this is also mirror. What do you mean by mirror, children? Find answer and write your own copy. What is mirror? Write. And what is behavior of mirror? You have to explain also. Write in your copy. Open the book, see the mirror, read the property of mirror and see the images formed by the mirror, and what will happen. This is a task for you. What will happen when two mirrors are making angle, and how many images form when, suppose that this is also mirror, this is also mirror, these are the plane mirror. And how many types of mirror, children? Spherical mirror and plane mirror. How many types of mirror? Spherical mirror and plane mirror. Remember, this is in class 10th. How many types? Plane mirror and spherical mirror. Spherical mirror are generally classified two category, concave and convex. Plane mirror are generally they are plane. They are making. In the case of spherical mirror, focus may be positive, may be negative. Understood? That's why images become less. What will happen in case of convex mirror? But think that in case of mirror, spherical mirror, focus may be positive and negative. But in case of plane mirror, children, in case of suppose that this is the plane mirror, the focus remains at infinity. Remember that in the case of plane mirror, focus remain infinity, center of curvature remains infinity. You open the book of class 10th and read this concept. This is very important, comes in your exam behind. So remember this one. This is task for you. See, children, this is a plane mirror and light is, this is a smooth surface. This is a smooth surface and light incidenting on this plane mirror. Now what will happen with light in case of, suppose this is plane mirror, this is smooth surface. What will happen? Suppose that this is another surface. Consider another surface which is which is not plane, it is, you can say, rough surface. आप जो rough use करते हो ना, that is like this. आप जो rough use करते हो, when you use the rough surface, this is surface, rough surface. What will happen when light incident on it? What will happen? See, regularly it falls on the rough surface, but due to some khurdre particles, unstable and plane particles, the regular behavior, regular transfer of light may disturb. So they behave, suppose that this is part, so it will go like this, this is 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 go like this. So you will see this is the irregular refraction. This refraction is known as irregular refraction. If surface, so remember that the case of reflection happen when surface remains plane. Proper, if you want, if a question may be asked from you, is it possible on a rough surface we can make image? You will say no, sir. Why it is no? Because we cannot see the object, because the reflected light do not comes regularly. If the regular light does not come regularly from the incidenting on the plane surface, we cannot easy to find the images. So for getting the images, either it is small or large, is not our part, but these things is happen in mirror. These things is happen. This condition is case of mirror, children. See that, but in the case of, we will study only the case of reflection, we have understood. So children, it is our part that in plane reflection or in, this is known as regular reflection. What will happen in regular reflection? Children, in regular reflection, what things may be changes? Intensity. See, what will think that when light incident on this surface, suppose this is what? The intensity means power. If something is going and attacking on a surface, what will happen? So this light attacks on surface. What will happen? Its intensity maybe something it is changes, something it will be changing. Definitely, because incident it. See what will happen if you want to see when light incident on a surface, what happens, what is the criteria? See children, it's very important for you and very interesting for you. When light falls on a surface, suppose that this is light, this is a plane, this is a smooth surface, and light directly incident on it. What will happen? Some lights, remember that whatever material it is, some light may be transmit it. Understood? Definitely, whatever कोई भी material है, if light is incident on it, definitely some lights may it transmit, बाहर निकाल देगा ये. And some light it contains भी, ये खुद absorb कर लेगा, it absorb. And some lights it may reflect. क्या होगा? लाइट कहीं पड़ती है तो तीन प्रक्रियाएं होती हैं. There are three things happened when light incident on surface. What will happen? It transmit, Second, it absorb and it reflect. See, if light incident on this surface, so many waves light incident, it is approximately transfer approximately 90% transfer without transmitting 80%. So we will say definitely reflection is happening here. See, this is the process of reflection. What is process? If light incident on surface, approximately 90% light automatically transfers after incident on it. We will say that this light, this plane surface, children, this plane surface is what? This plane surface is what? Reflecting surface. See, when light is incident in it and it transfer approximately 80%, transmit. So we will say this things is not reflection, this is refraction. Fractured it. If light fractured it, we will say refraction. And if light incident on it and it absorbs, तो इसे हम ब्लैक बॉडी भी कह सकते हैं. हम इसे वी विल से इट ब्लैक बॉडी. तो आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट लाइट्स डू. कहीं भी व्हेन लाइट इंसिडेंट, तो लगभग जनरली अगर 90% चिल्ड्रन अगर वो ट्रांसफ़र करता है तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट विल एब्जॉर्ब 5% and approximately it transmit 5%. So remember, these three things happened with same time and line incident on any surface. ये तीनों घटनाएं एक साथ होती हैं, बट जो ज़्यादा होती है उसे हम रिफ्लेक्शन कह देते हैं या रिफ्लेक्शन कहते हैं. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको समझ में. आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. फॉर नेक्स्ट डे वी विल डिस्कस, next video we will discuss, children, that how light changes in the case of reflection, which these quantity how is changing in reflection and which quantity is not changing, and in both the cases reflection and reflection, that is very important, comes in your exam. Thank you, children.